Hi, I'm Jeff Dominy and I'm excited to show you our Diamonds course, to explain some of the features and benefits of the software program that we're using, and also to explain some of the important contents. One of the first things you'll find with the software program is you can insert bookmarks. This allows you to easily navigate throughout the course. You can color code them, and you can also decide whether you want to insert them on the left-hand side or the right-hand side. You can also insert post-it notes wherever you want in the course. And you can also highlight the text. There's also a zoom feature and convenient thumbnail images. So what's included in the course? In addition to the physical and optical properties, the mining and cutting of diamonds, we also look at lab-created diamonds, the historical background, and the 4 different techniques that are used to produce lab-created diamonds, including HPHT, CVD, detonation, and also ultrasonic cavitation. An important area of gemology is the treatment and enhancements of gemstones, and in Lesson 5 we look at irradiation, HPHT, clarity enhancement, laser drilling, also surface coating, all featuring the wonderful photography of Tina Ahmed. In Lesson 8, we explore the different grading systems that are used to grade diamonds, to assess the 4 C's, including color, clarity, cut, and carat weight. We also look at an important development in clarity grading, which is objective diamond clarity grading by Michael Cowick. I hope you enjoyed this short presentation. Thank you very much.